Welcome. This is Mehul, and today I invite you to flow. It's all about your sacral. Gently come into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your body feel at ease. Close your eyes softly. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again inhale and exhale, letting your body melt. Allow your breath to become natural, soft, effortless. Now, bring your awareness to your lower abdomen, just below your navel. This is your sacral chakra, the space of emotions, pleasure, creativity, flow. Begin to imagine a warm, glowing orange light right in your lower belly. Soft, gentle, fluid. With every inhale, this orange light expands, and with every exhale, it softens and begins to flow. Now imagine this energy like water, moving, swirling, gently flowing inside you. There is no force here, only ease, only flow. Bring awareness to your hips. Let them relax. Soften your lower belly. Release any tightness. If you notice any emotions, any feelings rising, don't stop them. Don't judge them. Just allow. Like waves, they come and they pass. You are safe to feel. Now gently repeat within. I allow myself to feel. I embrace my emotions. I honor my desires. I am open to pleasure and joy. I am creative energy. Let these words move through you like water, touching every part of your being. And again, bring your awareness to that orange light. See it glowing, flowing freely. Balanced, alive, expressive. Let this energy expand into your lower belly, your hips, your lower back. Feel that softness, openness. Feel the flow. There's nothing to control. You are allowed to be exactly as you are. Now slowly bring back your awareness to your breath, to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this softness, this flow with you. Allow life to move through you like water.